Namaste everyone. Today I am going to discuss few more questions of exponents. And my first question is, if P upon Q equals to 2 upon 3 whole raised to power 2 multiplied by 1 upon 3 whole raised to power minus 4, find the value of P upon Q raised to power minus 2. So first of all we have to simplify first part. So you can see the power is negative here. So let us remove the sign of minus first of all. So P upon Q will be 2 upon 3 whole raised to power 2 as it is multiplied by, now here the power is negative, so we have to take reciprocal, and reciprocal of 1 upon 3 will be 3 upon 1 and the power will become positive, so raised to power 4. P upon Q will be equals to, now its power is 2, so multiply 2 times 2 upon 3 multiplied by 2 upon 3 whole multiplied by 3 upon 1 raised to power 4 is there, so 3 upon 1 can be written as 3, so multiply 4 times 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, cancelled in numerator and denominator both, and the value of P upon Q will be 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12 and 3s are 36. This is 36 upon 1 1s are 1 and can be written as 36. Now we have to find P upon Q whole raised to power minus 2. So therefore P upon Q whole raised to power minus 2 will be, replace the value of P upon Q here. The value of P upon Q is 36 and it will become 36 raised to power minus 2. Again the power is negative, we need to take reciprocal, so 36 can be written as 36 upon 1. So its reciprocal will be 1 upon 36. Now the power will become positive, so raised to power 2. And this will be equals to 1 upon 36 multiplied by 1 upon 36, which is equals to 1 1s are 1 in the numerator and 36 into 36 is 1296 in the denominator. This is your required answer. Let us see one more such different problem. If A equals to 3 upon 5 whole raised to power minus 2 divided by 7 upon 5 whole raised to power 0, find the value of A raised to power minus 3. So again first of all we have to simplify A. So here 7 upon 5 raised to power 0 is there in the divisor. So let me remind you that any number raised to power 0 is 1. So the value of A will be, see, in dividend the power is negative. To make it positive, let us take reciprocal. So it will become 5 upon 3 whole raised to power 2 divided by any number raised to power 0 is 1. So 7 upon 5 raised to power 0 will become 1. So any number divided by 1 will be number itself. So it will become 5 upon 3 raised to power 2. So raised to power 2 is there. Multiply 2 times 5 upon 3 into 5 upon 3. So 5 5s are 25 and 3 3s are 9. Now remember we have to find out A raised to power minus 3. So A raised to power minus 3 will be, replace the value of A, it is 25 upon 9 and whole raised to power minus 3 is there. Now to make the power positive, take reciprocal first of all. and it will become 9 upon 25 raised to power 3. So multiply it 3 times. 9 upon 25 whole multiply by 9 upon 25 whole multiply by 9 upon 25. Now 9 nines are 81 and 81 nines are 729, and in denominator 25 25s are 625, and 625 multiplied by 25 will be 15,625, which is your required answer. Let us see one more such question. It is simplify 2 upon 3 whole raised to power 2 and whole raised to power 3 multiply by 2 upon 3 whole raised to power minus 4 multiply by 3 raised to power minus 1 multiply by 1 upon 6. So this will be equals to, now simplify each and every part separately. So power raised to power is there, so 2 upon 3 as it is, and the powers will be multiplied. So 2 3s are 6 whole multiply by, here the power is negative, so take a reciprocal of base, which will be 3 upon 2 whole raised to power 4, it will become positive now. 3 raised to power minus 1 means inverse of 3 is 1 upon 3 multiply by 1 upon 6. So this will be equals to, now 2 upon 3 is 6 times. So multiply it 6 times, that is 2 by 3 multiply by 2 by 3 multiply by 2 upon 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 3. Here it is 6 times. Now 3 upon 2, it is 4 times, so multiply it 4 times. So 3 upon 2 multiply by 3 upon 2 multiply by 3 upon 2 multiply by 3 upon 2, and 1 upon 3 is simplified, so simply write multiply by 1 upon 3. Same 1 upon 6 is simplified, so multiply by 1 upon 6. Now divide the same terms in numerator and denominator. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, and this 3 also 3 ones are 3. 4 times 3 was there. Now 6 times 2 is there in the numerator, so 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, this 2 also 2 ones are 2, and 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. Now write down the answer. You know that 1 multiplied by any number is the number itself. So in numerator there is 2 multiplied by only 1 is there. So 2 ones are 2 upon 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9, and 9 3s are 27, and 27 3s are 81. So 2 upon 81 is your required answer. Now let us see one more different type of problem, that is find the reciprocal of. Remember, you have to simplify first, then you have to find reciprocal, and the first part is 1 upon 2 raised to power minus 2 divided by 2 upon 3 whole raised to power minus 3. So both powers are negative. Let us make them positive by taking reciprocal of the base. So the reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2 upon 1 whole raised to power 2 now, and divided by The reciprocal of 2 upon 3 is 3 upon 2 whole raised to power 3 now. Now let us simplify them. This will be equals to 2 upon 1 raised to power 2 is there, which means 2 upon 1 multiplied by 2 upon 1 whole divided by 3 upon 2 raised to power 3 is there, which means 3 upon 2 multiplied by 3 upon 2 multiplied by 3 upon 2. So simplify dividend and divisor both. So 2 2s are 4 upon 1 whole divided by 3 3s are 9 3s are 27 whole upon 8. Now these are two rational numbers and you know how to divide them. So dividend as it is, 4 upon 1, change divide into multiply and take reciprocal of 27 upon 8 will be 8 upon 27. Simplify it now. 8 4s are 32 and 1 27s are 27. Now remember, we have to find reciprocal. So reciprocal of 32 upon 27 will be 27 upon 32, which is your required answer. Now let us solve the second part also. It is 2 upon 5 whole raised to power 3 multiplied by 5 upon 4 whole raised to power 2. So both are in simplified form. So 2 upon 5 raised to power 3 means 2 upon 5 into 2 upon 5 into 2 upon 5. And 5 upon 4 raised to power 2 means 5 upon 4 into 5 upon 4. So divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Now simplify it. In numerator there is 1 only and in denominator there will be 5 2s are 10. But remember again we have to find reciprocal. So reciprocal will be reciprocal of 1 upon 10 will be equals to 10 upon 1, which is equals to 10, which is your required answer. Thank you and keep smiling.